Good morning, children. Welcome again in the teeth and digestion session. Our today's learning outcome to explain the process of digestion. So we will start with the digestive system. First of all, we will see the journey of food. The food which we are eating, where it goes and how it gives us the energy. We need food to get nutrients such as the proteins, vitamins, minerals. That food which we are eating has to be first broken down into the simpler substances. So, the process by which the food is broken down into the simple substances is called digestion, and the different organs which help in this, they are called the digestive system. So, here the different organs are included into the digestive tract. They are mouth, esophagus or food pipe, stomach, small intestine, large intestine, and anus. They all together are making the digestive system, and they help in absorption and digestion of food. So let's see what is the tract of the digestive system. Mouth. This is the first organ from in the mouth, teeth, tongue and salivary glands are present, which helps in the digestion. Tongue, which helps in pushing the food backwards, and it is the organ of taste. The different areas which is responsible for the different tastes are sweet, bitter, salty and sour. Salivary glands are attached with it, which secretes the saliva and mixes it into the food, and which makes the food soft. It reaches to the food pipe which is called esophagus. The tongue pushes the food down with the help of the food pipe. Now it is attached to the stomach, which is a hollow bag made up of muscles. It contains the digestive juices which break down the proteins present in this. It is attached to the small intestine, which is a highly coiled tube. Pancreas and liver, they secrete their digestive juices into the small intestine for the digestion of food. The digested food reaches to the large intestine now, which is undigested, where the absorption of water takes place. The blood vessels in the walls of large intestine absorb water, and the remaining semi-solid waste is excreted out through the anus. Let's see the performance of each and every organ included in the digestive tract. So start with the mouth. In the mouth, the first process, chewing, takes place. The tongue helps in tasting the food, and incisors help to bite the food. Molars and premolars grind the food and change it into a paste. This is called chewing. And the saliva present in our mouth mixes with the food to make it soft. It also breaks down the insoluble starch into the soluble sugars to easy digestion. Then the tongue pushes the food down with the help of the food pipe. This is also made up of muscles. It moves the food down by its waves-like action, which is called peristaltic action, peristalsis. Now the food reaches to the stomach, which stores the food temporarily. It contains digestive juices which breaks down the proteins. Now the food reaches to the small intestine, which secrete the intestinal juices. Liver releases the bile juice, and the pancreas releases the pancreatic juice into the small intestine for the digestion of food. It breaks down the food further to complete the process of digestion. Digestive food is now in the form of a liquid and is absorbed in the small intestine through the blood, through the walls of the small intestine. Now the large intestine absorbs water from the food, and it eliminates the undigested food through the anus out of the body. Like this, the digestion takes place in our body, because the remaining semi-solid waste is excreted out through the anus. So this is all about the digestive system. To keep our digestive system healthy, we are supposed to eat the healthy food item for the proper functioning of our digestive system. In all, in the whole process, we have started with the mouth, chewing, then swallowing in the food pipe, then digestion in the stomach, then the food reaches to the small intestine, where the maximum digestion takes place and absorption takes place. After that, the food reaches to the large intestine, from where the undigested semi-solid waste reaches to the anus and excreted out. So teeth, responsible for mechanical processing. Salivary gland initiate the carbohydrates and lipid digestion. Esophagus transports food to stomach, where the mechanical and chemical processes of digestion of protein takes place. Now, small intestine, where the complete digestion of protein, fat and carbohydrate and absorption of nutrients and water takes place. Liver secretes molecules required for digestion of fats. Gallbladder stores secretions from liver, empties into small intestine. Pancreas secretes enzymes and other materials into the small intestine for the digestion of food. Large intestine, where the absorption of water and feces formation takes place. So, this is all about your digestive tract. Thank you so much, children. Be healthy.